Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will be configuring a network file system server or an NFS server. So let's get started. We are having two VMs. This is the server VM having the IP 168.0.7 and the client machine having the IP 0.4 and the hostname of the machine is client. So let's get to the server and start configuring it. So for the first part, we have to see whether the NFS related packages are already present or not. If not, then we have to install them. So for that we will use, so all the packages are pre-installed. If not, then you have to install them. So let's start with the service configurations. First we'll be enabling 4 services and then starting them. So the services have been enabled first and then they have been started. We have already created a folder which will be shared with the clients by the name of nfs_share. 777 permissions have been provided to it, which we can check over here by the grep command. Now we will be configuring the exports folder. Over here we will have to provide the shared folder name, the IP address range which will be accessing the NFS server, and the permissions. RW stands for read-write permission. Sync stands for like the NFS file server would get synced after every regular intervals periods of time, and no root squash stands for the clients will be able to access the server with root privileges if required. Now, in order to save the changes, we will have to restart the NFS server. The server-side configuration is almost complete. Now we will be configuring the client side. In client side, we need to make sure the same services have been enabled and started, and the packages are to be also installed from beforehand. So we can see that the NFS related packages are already present on the system, and the 4 services which needs to be enabled and started are already done. Now we have to just create a directory or find out a directory where we will be mounting NFS shared drive from the server. So for that, just go to client. We will try to mount the drive from the server. So we can see that it got mounted. Now if we do df space -h, we can see that this got mounted. It will start reflecting here, but there can be cases when it may not get mounted, so we will see such a scenario. So we can see here that the drive is not currently mounted, and we will try mounting it. It's not getting mounted, so we will see what the issue is with the ports. Sometimes the ports can be a blocker. So this command actually shows which are the ports which are actually causing the issue. These ports have to be enabled in the server side so that the communication takes place. So we will be switching to the server side. So over here we will add the ports in the following manner. So after making the changes, we have to restart the firewall to make the changes reflect. Now we will try again mounting the drive. So the drive got mounted and it's getting reflecting there. So there can be chances that the file doesn't get mounted. So we have to find out the ports using the rpc command, and then you have to enable the ports in the server side so that it gets mounted. In order to unmount the drive, we will use the following command. Now if we check, we will see that it is not getting showed up here, so it got unmounted. So that's how the NFS system works. So guys, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates for latest videos from my channel.